Today we'll be going on a pizza walking tour through one of Boston's most historic neighborhoods. We're going to try 3 popular pizzerias as well as walk along the Freedom Trail, which is covered in historic American landmarks.
You guys ready to hit the pizza trail?
Yeah!
Me too. Right down Hanover Street is where we'll start.
This is my first Boston slice. Okay, good. That is so good.
So anytime you see this red brick path through the streets and sidewalks of Boston, you know you're on Boston's Freedom Trail. And along that 2.5-mile path are 16 historically significant sites. This is the oldest section of Boston's oldest neighborhood here, North Square. So you can really say modern America started right here from this tiny little square back in 1630. So Rena's here. This is our next pizza stop. Let's go in and taste this delicious pie.
Okay, slice number 2. Nobody said it was going to be pretty. Oh, but it's good. So this is one of the most photographed areas in Boston. You've got the Paul Revere statue, and then you've got the Old North Church, which is the oldest church in Boston. It's also where the 1 if by land, 2 if by sea signal was sent.
So this beautiful old brick building here across the street, this is what's known as the Kuu House. Mr. Kuu built this home. He's the one that built Boston's Old North Church here in his backyard. So this little area here is known as Copp's Hill Terrace. Directly across the water here is the Charlestown Navy Yard.
The USS Constitution, also known as Old Ironsides, she's the world's oldest commissioned naval vessel still afloat.
Over to the left here, you get a great view of the Bunker Hill Memorial, and that is the site of the first major battle of the American Revolution. So Ernesto's here. This is our last pizza stop.
This is like the perfect combination of the first 2 slices. Really good. Wow.
I would definitely recommend this tour. I really experienced a lot. It was very informative, historic. Boston has some great pizza, and I think today might have been the first time where I had one of those really great slices.
Boston has some of the best pizza in America, and on today's tour we got to explore some old neighborhoods, taste delicious pizza, and learn all about American history along the way.